Okay, here's this month's Quilty Box. It's my September Quilty Box, and you may have seen some of my previous ones from, I think, June, July, and August. I signed up for a whole year, so this is my September one. Let's see what's in it. Let's open it. I wonder who the artist of the month is. Here's our little booklet of inspiration. And inside this booklet will be featured the artist of the month. And the artist of the month right here is Miss Wishwell. Oh, okay, this is a collaborative duo. So there's two. And Linda Finch and Vanessa Lil Rose have been creative design team for years. All right, so this is created. These ideas are created by both of them. Pretty neat. I love getting these little books. And here's their fabric that they designed. Nice little packet. And I see different colors here. I see some black, gray, white, and gold. Matching colors here. I love these colors. Very nice. I'll definitely use these. Very nice. Some thread. Magic clips. And Machinger's gloves designed for quilting, crafting, and sewing. Pretty nice. Ooh, look at that. Don't have a pair of gloves yet, and I love how they think about things I may not have, and otherwise I might not think about them, and they become quite helpful. So, thank you so much for watching me unpack my September Quilty Box. And I look forward to seeing you again next month. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you want to see more, to subscribe to my channel. All right, bye-bye.